Remember, we're doing two-digit subtraction. Two-digit means it's two numbers. We are subtracting, so the rules I tell you go with subtraction. Don't get them confused with addition. With regrouping, that means you group it again. That's what we're doing. That's the key. To be a mathematician, to do this, you got to regroup. So look at this first one. Can you do 3 minus 3? Yeah. You have 3, you take 3 away, so what's your answer? 0. Remember to always start on the right side. Start with your ones. Can you do 6 minus 3? Yes. 6 minus 3 is? 3. All right, so that one did not have any regrouping. There was no regrouping there, but look at this one. Okay, now, there's not more on top. So there's more on the floor. There's a little saying, if there's more on the floor, you go next door. If I have nothing, I can't take 9 away. That doesn't mean I have to quit. It means I need another strategy. Go next door and knock on the door. Excuse me, need to borrow a group of 10. Now when you do that, mark out your 8 because you're borrowing that group. Instead of a cup of sugar, you're borrowing a group of 10. Change it to a 7. Now you've got this group of 10. Give it to the 0. So now what have you turned the 0 into? 10. So again, you must show your work and put that 10. This is so important. Show your work. Now, it's not 0 anymore. It's 10. What's 10 minus 9? 1. That's almost all of it. That's the strategy. Think, well, I almost took them all away. There'd be 1 left. Here's my 7. I'm not taking anything away. Still 7. So that did use regrouping. This did not. Look at our next one. We're going to start on the right side. Do you think we're going to have to regroup?
Yeah.
Was there more on top? No. I have more on the bottom. So if there's more on the floor, I got to go next door. So I come next door. Excuse me, you borrow a group of 10. So mark out your 8. Make it 7 groups of 10. Now I've got this group of 10 to give to the 2. You know what a lot of kids do? They put 10. But you had 2. It's 12. So you've got to make that a 12. Now I have new numbers. 12. Remember the touch system I told you with that 3? Either think of 3 dots this way, think of 3 dots this way, but think in your head 12. Count back from 12. 11, 10, 9. Whichever way you do it. Maybe you know that 9 plus 3 is 12. But if not, then use those dots. 7 minus 4. What goes with 4 to get to 7? I could count backwards. Again, with the dot system, you could use 4 dots. Think 7 in your head, 7. Count backwards though. 6, 5, 4, 3. There's your answer. We did a lot of regrouping here. We did a lot of regrouping here. We did not do regrouping there. All right, let's look over here. I don't have more on top, and I'm subtracting, so it won't work. But I do have a strategy. Go next door. All right, so go next door. Excuse me. We borrow a group of 10. So change the 5 to a 4. Now I've got this group of 10, but it's not going to be 10 up there. You already had 3. 3 and 10 is 13. So mark it out. Put that 13. Now try to write neatly so you can read your numbers. Oh my goodness. 13 minus 4. Don't say the answer yet. Think of your dots. Remember with dice we talked about that? Think 13, but you got to count backwards. 13. 12, 11, 10, 9. What's 4 minus 4?
0.
0. Now you don't have to write the 0 because it's just 9. Did we have to regroup?
No.
Yes, we had to regroup. Yes, we did. All right, this last one. 3 is not more than 6. There's more on the floor. We're going to have to regroup. All right, so talk me through it. What do you think we should do? Lucas, what do you think we should do?
Change the 7 into a 6.
Love it. Change the 7. Guys, show your work. Change it to a 6. Put it right on top. Now, what do I do with that group of 10? Give it to the 3, so that becomes
13.
13. Now, 13 minus 6. Now, stop and think a minute. Something goes with 6 to get to 13. Wait, we're using a strategy here. We're thinking 6 and 6 is 12, and that's close. 6 and 7. That was, I didn't have to play all those fingers. 6, count backwards. 6, count backwards. 6, 5, 4. There's your answer. All right.